Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter 10. TikTok Ads Manager Dashboard Walkthrough. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at TikTok Ads Manager Dashboard Walkthrough. Step by step. So let's get started. Once you enter the TikTok Ads Manager, you can see brief information about your ad. Like today's total spend, active and inactive ads, trends, impressions of advertising costs and others. Scroll down, you will see more detailed information. At the top, you will find the main menu. Click the campaign menu to create your ad campaign. The assets menu has several sub-menus such as events, creatives, audiences, catalogs, comments, and instant pages. And next is the reporting menu that you can use to create ad reports. There are custom reports sub-menus, video insights, creative inspiration, and audience insights. At the top right you will find several icons, such as a notification icon, a business manager icon, and your TikTok Ads Manager account icon. Click the account icon. You will see several sub-menus, such as account information, payment, and user settings. Return to dashboard page. And you can also create your ad via this page by clicking the Create an Ad button, or you can view a log of your account activity. This is an explanation of the TikTok Ads Manager dashboard. See you in the next tutorial.